So you get an understanding of how much of a leap in sensitivity and performance this guy is, especially for scuba diving and very, very precarious applications where you want to make sure you're detecting small amounts of carbon monoxide. Now, Divers Alert Network mentions 5 ppm as the threshold for carbon monoxide. Compressed Gas Association has 10 parts per million. They usually start about 3 or 4 ppm, but in my personal view, you want to make sure you have 0 parts per million, folks. Now, we all know carbon monoxide is lethal, so you really want to make sure, if at all possible, to dive with 0 parts per million of carbon monoxide in your compressed gas cylinder when you're scuba diving, folks.